Using Diffusional Diffusion to repaint parts of an image, this is a newly added node. Using this node can make the results of local repaints much better. For example here, we first generate an image, then in the mask editor, we paint the area we want to repaint, and click Save. After saving, one goes to the image and one goes to the mask. The difference lies in the fact that here, we've integrated a diffusional diffusion model between the model and the K-sampler, which ultimately leads to this result. This is the original image. The two on the right are results after local retouching. In the local repaint positive prompts, I divided them into two cases. In the first case, I simply input Cthulhu's tentacles without any other keywords, and this is what I got in the end. Obviously, this isn't the result I wanted. I thought the character's hair looked like tentacles, and I just wanted to make a slight change. So I brought back the original positive prompt here, added it in, and adjusted the weight of the original Lovecraftian tentacles. Finally, I got this image result. I think this is close to what I wanted to achieve, getting the tentacles and something similar to hair. Of course, on the Reddit forum, other people have already tested it. I got the information from them. I felt that the image recreation was very good. It didn't look out of place at all. Then I got the workflow from the ComfyUI GitHub repository right here. When it comes to using workflows, there are several points I'd like to mention. The upper part is a full tattoo design, and the lower part is a detailed section redrawn. If we want to repaint locally, we need to input an image and a mask. We can import an image from the generated pictures, then add a mask. Alternatively, we can load a single image or a single mask separately. So this place corresponds to image with image, mask with mask. You can link them in any way as long as you can load the desired message. Then we can proceed to local repaint below.
Navigate to Running Harmony AI, or click the link in the description to register and get 1,200 coins. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.